Hey everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the August Simply Gilded Kit Lavender Fields. I mean, the box itself is a work of art, so I'm really excited to open this up and get a closer look at everything that's inside. As always, we start off with the inventory card, and this just details what all comes in your kit. And this month's beautiful journaling card. I love the foiling, the watercolor books, everything is so pretty about this. Whenever I saw this sneak on Irene's Insta stories, I just got so excited because of the colors and the theme. Everything is just so pretty. And 2 sheets of foiled stickers this month, so let's get a better look at those. We've got the headers, date covers, some banner flags, checklists, some different phrases over here. And then this is the next sheet, and it has got the full boxes down here, some banner flags, deco all over here, and then a few more headers. Love doing that foil wiggle, I'm sure you can tell. And this month we get another pocket-sized insert. This one has a foiled line at the bottom, foiled quote on the back, sewn binding as always, and then the inside is blank, so you can use this for whatever you like. I don't really tend to use these. I use a B6 Traveler's Notebook, so I'm hoping she has some more sizes coming out in the future, but these are great just to stick into the pockets of those or to throw in my planner pouch or my purse and to take notes with those. So there are definitely ways to use it even if you don't use a pocket notebook. Next up we have a bow charm, and this is a really pretty lavender color, and it feels like really good quality fabric too, like it'll be nice and sturdy. That is what the back looks like, and it's got a little lobster claw here, so that will clip perfectly onto your rings or strings, onto your backpack, your purse, just so many different options to use this accessory. And we have Juniper in the form of a really pretty magnet with rose gold foiling. I like to keep all of my magnets on my Rascog cart. Of course, you can always go traditional, stick it on your fridge. Lots of options with that as well. I was really excited about these when I saw them in the sneak peeks because, I mean, not only is it a new item to the kit, but it's also just stunning. I love the foiling, and it's got numbers and lines, which I love in a sticky note because I cannot write straight to save my life, so that's always helpful. And I mean, look at this stack. You get a really nice number of sheets with that as well. Next up, we have one of the foiled adhesive pockets. This one has a rose gold foiled quote on it, and these are really simple to apply. You just peel it up, and this is a tacky back, so you just stick it right onto your cardstock, your laminate, whatever it is that you want to stick this on, and you have a really nice pocket to stick all of your planner goodies in. And this one, obviously, I mean, come on now, this is gorgeous. This is probably my favorite item in the whole kit, to be honest. I love this. It's got some foiling on the book labels there. The colors are really pretty. I'm probably going to hoard this forever. I need like 10 backups of these. So nice. And then we have a zippered pouch, and this has rose gold hardware on it with some different shades of pink and purple, kind of a watercolor ombre print. And I can feel the washi tapes inside, so let's open them up and take a look at those. Oh, and I just realized that the inside has this really pretty polka dot pattern. So cute. And here are the washies. Let me go ahead and tell you that these cameras are not doing these tapes justice at all. These are so beautiful. So let's get a closer look. This is the set of dried lavender bows with rose gold foiling. So you get the standard and the skinny size. And then you have a plaid pattern with rose gold foiling on there. And this one is a floral tape, and it's got some birds on there with foil flakes scattered about. And saving the best for last, we have this beautiful lineup of books with the florals and the foiling on the spine. I cannot get over how adorable all of the book features are in this kit. The colors, the style, everything is just perfect. And that does it for this unboxing. For more information on how and when to subscribe to these beautiful kits, be sure to check out the Simply Gilded website and the Facebook group, and I will link both of those in the description below along with all of my discount codes. Don't forget to head over to the Simply Gilded Box Instagram account where Irene just announced the theme for next month's kit. Spoiler alert, it is out of this world amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye!